January 1995. An earthquake measuring 7.2 on the Richter scale struck the Japanese city of Kobe. An offer of help was immediately made via the British Embassy in Tokyo.
Kobe at dawn. In 20 seconds, the quake has left thousands dead or dying, destroyed the homes of nearly 500,000, shattered one of the richest cities in the world. Dazed by the scale of the quake, Japan rejects all offers of help from outside. Kobe struggles on alone, its people shocked by an event which they'd been told would never happen.
A few days later, assistance was officially requested by the Japanese government. International Rescue Corps deployed a team of search and rescue specialists to the area.
Originally the Corps was virtually 90% fire service. Nowadays the members come from all walks of life. We've trained with the combat engineers of the Marines. We've trained with mines rescue, cave rescue, mountain rescue.
The team are asked to search the top story of a perilously damaged building. The old man who lives in the attic is missing and may still be trapped there.
If we could have arrived inside 24 to 36 hours of the event, we would have been counting tens and more saved alive. People do need help from out with their own area.
Well, you've got it tied in your end, we'll tie it here and back.
And certain barriers need to be broken down. If it's made a start to that, for that alone it's been worthwhile.